One thing that you must know about Donald Trump, the United States of America president, is that he's a bully. So out of all days in the year, December the 25th, Christmas Day, he decides to launch deadly missiles to Nigeria, the northwest of Nigeria. So okwamanje, so far, but those missiles zibulele about 5 people. So this comes after the allegations ukuthi there's a terrorist gang target Christians lapha in Nigeria. Then after analyzing those people, he sent this message on social ukuthi Merry Christmas, including those deadly terrorists. Uyabona, if it wasn't for ukuthi Donald Trump ufuna usi-attack South Africa, ngabe kudala sibulala sonke. This president is not the right person. And then so far, Abuja, the Nigeria government, but respondile, but they will not engage on those attacks by Donald Trump. So what do you think about this, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Follow, like, comment, and repost, and enjoy your holidays.
Breaking news update. The government of Nigeria says it is cooperating with the U.S., which is hitting targets in the northwestern part of that country. Today, President Donald Trump said he launched, quote, powerful and deadly strikes against Islamic State forces in the West African nation. The Department of Defense released this video of missile launches. The president did not give any details of the strike or reveal what was damaged. The U.S. Africa Command says the strikes were carried out at the request of Nigerian authorities. In a statement, the Nigerian Ministry of Foreign Affairs said the strikes were to protect civilian lives and safeguard national unity.